Welcome back to Fork It. Let's Cook with Leah, episode 34, Halibut Fish Tacos. Start by lining a large baking sheet with paper towels. Then take your halibut fillet and dry it really well. Cut your halibut into half-inch thick slices, then cut those slices in half. Dry each piece very well, giving it a gentle squeeze to make sure you get out most of the moisture. Then place on the paper towel lined baking sheet. I also have cod here. It's being prepared in the same manner, being cut into serving size pieces that will fit into a taco. Dry those pieces well. Once you have all of your fish laid out, lay paper towels out on the top and dry it really well by pressing down. Place that aside, and in a medium bowl, you're going to crack 1 egg and add about 2 tablespoons of milk, then whisk that up well and set that aside. This is an optional step, having one of your cats come in and making sure that you are doing everything correctly. In a large baking dish, mix together 2 cups of panko, as well as 1 cup of flour and 1.5 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Make sure that is well combined. In a medium bowl over medium heat, heat about 1/4 inch of oil until hot. Then fry up your corn shells about 30 seconds per side or until very lightly toasted, but not crispy. Then drain on a paper towel and repeat with as many corn shells as you believe tacos you will need. Dip each fish stick into the egg mixture and then place into the baking pan with the dry mixture. Press it down and coat on all sides really well, giving it a nice little squeeze as you do so to ensure that the dry coating is covered everywhere on all the fish. Heat up your deep fryer and fry each fish stick for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown and flaky. Continue with the remaining fish until all of the fish has been cooked. In a small pot or pan, combine together 2/3 cup of water as well as your 3 tablespoon taco seasoning and whisk over medium-low heat, stirring until thick. Turn off the heat and remove from heat. Assembling your tacos is a preference, but you can layer it with sour cream, the taco sauce that you've made, some Taco Bell chipotle sauce, coleslaw, cilantro, tomato, onion, cheese, and of course your fish stick. Wrap it up and enjoy.